Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, January the 9th, 2023. I've already solved 3 puzzles. Yes, the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku I've already solved, and also the binary. So the last puzzle remains. It's the cipher block. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru, and in English, the Tectonic. This will be number 5765. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. I do not know. But the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. So for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box is always a 1. Following question, do we see here dual boxes? I see here a dual box. There, dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Here I do not know the numbers. I need more information. Insufficient information here. So let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. I do not know in which order. Alright. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes? Next question. Here a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, those numbers could be everywhere, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Okay. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. I see here 1 quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. I need more information. Alright, only 1 quadra box? Yeah, seems like we have here 1 quadra box. Alright, the next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And one of those shapes that you need to recognize is this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. Another one here, but rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Here another one, but upside down. Okay, this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more? No, we have 3 of them. Okay, then the following shape that you need to recognize is, let me see. How about this shape? Or this shape. Let me draw this shape. It's the same shape. Let me draw the same shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The L shape. The L shape, but rotated. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. So this box is the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. There are more shapes that you need to recognize. Maximum of 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 4 can be a 4, but also those 3 boxes surround this 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4, it should be a there. These 3 boxes surround a 3. Surround a 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Yeah, this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround a 4 can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be there or here. All right. These 3 boxes surround a 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, it should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there in this quarter box. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, okay. Then, let me see. Right. I need to think. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. I have a double 1 there. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. And this box is connected with that box, so we also 2 and 3. But I cannot place the 2 there because we have already the double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3 and is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. So now we have 2 numbers left. Here we have a pair 1 and a 2. The other pair should be the 4 and the 5. Okay. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah. 4 and a 5. No. These 2 boxes can be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Okay. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Well, I'm thinking. These two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4. And the 5, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 is supposed to be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, yeah, I'm still thinking. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. But we already have a 1 there, so it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. And that box should be a 5 then. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3 in this area. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Then. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 to 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3 to 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 to 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, 50 minutes. Not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, but I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Monday. And we will meet again tomorrow on a Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.